Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin on solid basics, safety and focused inspection. Climb only with a partner and harness. Check attic for staining to triangulate leaks. Once done, clear panels around suspect seams and fasteners so sealant bonds. Use a wire brush to remove rust. Make sure to mark each problem area with tape or chalk so you don't miss spots later. Do not waste time replacing entire panels yet. Start by repairing seams, screws, and flashing where most leaks originate. You now attack the mid-stage repairs: fasteners, seams, and flashing. Begin by removing corroded or loose screws and replace with neoprene washer screws sized for the profile. Hand tighten, then give a quarter turn to seat. Make sure not to over-tighten. Next, apply a compatible polyurethane or butyl sealant in a smooth 1/8-inch bead along seams and laps. Press panels together where possible. Once sealed, reseat or replace flashing. Running sealant continuous under. You finish by verifying and protecting your work. Start a controlled water test from the ground. Run a low-pressure hose upward along suspect seams for 5 to 10 minutes while someone watches the attic. If you see a drip, trace to the entry point and use an epoxy or metal patch for pinholes, then prime and paint exposed metal to prevent corrosion. If leaks continue, make sure to inspect underlayment and penetration boots. Consider replacing panels or flashing sections rather than repeated patching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.